We're delighted to be opening up our UK campuses from September. We're putting in place innovative measures to ensure you can keep your ambitions on track and start your studies with us. We know how hard you've worked to get here, and that's why we've introduced a range of measures across our campuses so we can safely welcome you from September. Here are some things to expect on campus. We will make it easy for you to adhere to the government guidelines on social distancing with clear signage. We will have special thermo cameras at campus entrances to test the temperature of everyone entering. Face coverings will be mandatory on campus. You can wear your own or pick one up from reception. There will also be hand sanitizer stations at entrances and other key locations. To keep everyone safe and ensure that the campus is easy to navigate, we will have social distancing indicators, traffic flow systems such as one-way systems and one-way staircases, and restricted areas. Perspex safety screens have also been installed at face-to-face points such as reception and libraries, and teaching staff will be wearing protective visors. We'll be increasing our cleaning regime, paying particular attention to desks, handrails and door handles. We'll also be providing cleaning products for you to use as necessary. We will be limiting the number of people in washrooms to maintain social distancing, and paper towels will be provided. For your safety, we will be limiting access to lifts and priority given to those less able. Our campuses in Hong Kong and Berlin are also introducing a range of safety measures. And if for any reason you can't make it to campus in September, we've got that covered too. You'll be able to study online and switch back to face-to-face or stay online if you prefer. You can even start in one ULaw campus and switch to another ULaw campus. We don't want you to worry about anything standing in the way of your ambitions. That's why we're taking care to ensure your safety.